Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video today I'm going to walk you through the average time a user spends on your sites. There is a tool called Sites Analytics within the CRM that will show you exactly how long the people stayed in your funnels, websites, or maybe even webinars, and when they bounced. This information is crucial to know, especially when you're running live launches, for example, or if you're even running ads. You really want to understand your numbers and you really want to figure out what works and what doesn't. So this tool will help you to understand the user behavior on your funnels and websites. So you can act fast if something is off, so you can adjust your copy or design. Let me show you how that looks like. So first, let's navigate to Sites on the left, Analytics at the top, and then here you have the drop-down menu and you can select if you want to see the funnels, websites, QR codes, webinars, blogs, forms, surveys, or the external tracking. We stay with funnels for now. And then also you can narrow down further and select specific funnels you would like to look at. For example, if you're running a Black Friday campaign. Okay, so furthermore, you can select a date range from when to when would you like to see the data. And we also have advanced filters right here. You can click Add Filter and select the city where you would like to see the traffic from. Scrolling further down, you have an interactive page views box as well as the average time. From here, you can hover over each day and you can see the average time spent on that particular day. You can also see the average time from the particular time frame, as well as the exit before 30 seconds. So if somebody bounced off your page before 30 seconds, they'll be counted towards this particular percentage right here. Scrolling further down, you have more data like page views, top client IPs, the top browsers, the traffic by device type, as well as the top visits by country, the acquisition data, and the video engagement overview. Please note that websites, funnels, as well as webinars will show you the average time. Remember, you can change that up here via the drop-down menu. Inactive time is kept, so the idle time don't inflate your average time. Please note that sessions under 2 seconds are excluded. This is to reduce the noise from accidental clicks or instant bounces. Well, I hope you like this feature that will help you to get rid of the guesswork whilst improving retention and conversion. And if you haven't signed up for HighLevel just yet, or you're looking to upgrade your current subscription, make sure to check out our affiliate bonuses, all linked in the description below.